Hey everybody, it's Thursday afternoon, New York City. Our next destination on our trip, One Vanderbilt. To the top of this baby. We're over by 42nd and Madison, heading across the street on 42nd Street. On 42nd Street we have Grand Central Terminal, and directly to the left, this is One Vanderbilt where we're gonna head in, following the signage. Go down to go up. We actually need to go back up because you need to go down the stairs and not the escalator. They were very literal and direct with their directions. We just didn't follow it correctly. There's Summit. There's the stairs. All right, so we got here at 12:30. They weren't open yet. They open at 1. They told us to come back at 1. By the time we came back, 15 minutes later, this is the line now. All right, we did security. We're heading in. Heading in for a movie. Oh my. Everyone's stuck in their homes through the pandemic, ready to break out, explore new stuff. We're gonna get prepped for our little booties. Should put epic training montage music in here. Heading to the launch. So they scan me, and they scan there. They take pictures of you all over. Feels like we're in like a haunted house. Oh, we're going in. All right. Already. We're here. Whoa. Transcendence. I feel like maybe we died. Purgatory? They tell you to wear sunglasses. I brought mine. Mary didn't bring hers, so I don't want to make her feel bad. Whoa. Oh my goodness. Whoa. Look at the views. One world. Look at that. Mirrors. Empire State Building. Midtown to downtown. Off to the side here, the Chrysler Building. We're just about at the height of the peak of the Chrysler Building. There's the Chrysler Building, MetLife Building. Heading east into Queens. See Brooklyn all the way down that way too. This is trippy. There I am. And I'm also here. over here, we're right there. We're right there, we're right there, we're right there. And up there. One more look straight down below. Come up. Empire State Building. Damn. And here we go out towards the west. Salesforce Building. Look at that. And you get all these crazy buildings that they've made over by 57th Street. There's Rockefeller Center over there, and 30 Rock, Comcast Building, and their observation deck. Not nearly as cool as this. Wow. This is pretty dope. This is what One Vanderbilt looks like. If it was a model for ants, some stats. 90% of the steel to build this was recycled. You have these observation decks. 1, 2, 3, roof. 1,401 feet above New York. No way! More mirrors. Someone pop one. Oh, I feel like a little kid. Right over the head. This is fun. Everyone's got a smile on their face. Ah, we can hit the ball back to each other. It's like these things are filled with helium. I never want to leave. And the reflection down below. They're all trying to go home, like they're going to their mother planet of silver balls. Look at this. Oh my. Oh my goodness. When you turn the camera around, it's just endless reflections. This is some of the most fun I've had in years. We're done with silver balls. We're heading up one more floor. Up to Transcendence 2. So this is right above where we just were before. And that crazy spherical thing to be able to take pictures. Look at that down below. You just drop your camera right down there. Be careful. And then, surprise, you can't really see this when you're down there because all you see is this reflection up above. But you can see everybody playing around Transcendence 1. So before we came over here, we had watched some videos planning our trip. We watched Here Be Bar. We watch them all the time. Shout out Here Be Bar and check out that channel. Put a link either up above or down below. And also Jason Rupp, folks, when this place opened up. But they had said that it had been insanely crowded over the holidays. And I could see that kind of being a disruption, you know, if you want to take some of these cool pictures. But today, this crowd is not that bad. This view is just crazy. It is not for the squeamish, that is for sure. There I am. There we are, looking west again. Jersey, across the river. I will say the one thing, I think we've kind of beat the weather here today. It was really supposed to rain like 70% the whole day. We're supposed to walk downtown and cross the Brooklyn Bridge and everything, but I'm glad that it held out for this. Heading into levitation. I guess they normally have a line built up here, these cutbacks. You can go out on these platforms and look directly down. Look at this. Literally straight down. Oh my goodness. Literally 92 floors up. Did you do that? So we scanned our wristbands. We're flying through space right now. Mary's head is in the clouds. And there I am. That's terrifying. And again with the mirrors. You look right up. This is one of the coolest things I've ever done in the city. And this is the artist that's designed all of this, Kenzo Digital. All right, we're heading up. Oh, we've made it to cafe and bar. You can eat with spectacular views. They have a little fire going. Cocktails. So they have beers, specialty drinks. And we can head outside. This will be actually the first time we're outside here today. And look at that rain out there. Woo! Open air. All the wind. Oh, I'm gonna get blown away. And here's the elevator. You can pay extra. Go in the elevator all the way to the top, open windows. There's that roof deck. Oh, this is the wind. All right, so I'm doing ascent, the elevator to the top. Mary was a little nervous. We're going in. We can see through the floors too. And away we go. Oh my. Ears are popping. Oh, there's not much more to get up to the top. It's a long way to the top if you want to rock and roll. And what goes up must come down. And of course you exit through the gift shop. Ah, this is cool. All the silvery things. They have magnets like the little globules that we saw. That is so cool. Ah, bottle opener. Really cool. Whoa. Oh, those are cool. All the treasures. Scarves. So they take photos of you as you're going through based off of your QR code on the wristband that they gave you, but I don't necessarily like the photos, so we actually skipped them. So we just got done with SUMMIT One Vanderbilt. That was some of the most fun I've had ever. Ever. I mean, it's not just an observation tower, which there are some spectacular views. I thought they were better than 30 Rock, better than going to Empire State Building, which is just really the tourist place to hit. And I thought it would be better than One World Trade when we were down there last time.
Yeah, this was amazing.
This offers some really unique opportunities with some art installation type pieces like those balls.
Oh my God.
That was the most fun I've had since I was a kid.
Yeah, that was fun.
There's the little spot that you're allowed to overlay or, kind of look straight down, and then if you pay extra, you can go on that elevator that we did at the end, or I did at the end, which provided unbelievable views of Empire State Building and down south. So highly recommend this place. This was amazing.
Yeah.
Mary's afraid of heights. She made it through.
I was very afraid of heights. I had a hard time when we first went into the first room, but I got my bearings and it was okay.
LA beast here, got my bearings.
It was okay after that.
Yeah, and I'll tell you what, the staff was just incredible.
Oh my God,
Everybody that interacted in the end congratulated her for having an amazing day and getting through so much stuff with having the fear of heights that she had. So it was truly remarkable. So, on that note, thanks a lot for coming along. Thank you very much for all your likes, comments, and subscriptions. Treat others the way you want to be treated. Have a great day and see you guys.